What's up gamers, Avin Alexa here, and again I'm back with another YouTube video. And in today's video we're gonna see how we can use our old PS2 controllers onto a PS4 console or a PS3 console. And if that sounds interesting, let's just get right into a video. Now, as you can see in the video, I'm using this PS2 controller on a PS4 console, and on the other side, as you can see, I can show you around. Yeah, as you can see on the other side, I also use these same controllers on a PS3. And how is this possible? That's what we are to find out right now. Now, in order to make this possible, you need this broke USB super converter for PS2 to PS3 and PS4. And as a bonus round, this one can also be used on PC, and this exact particular model makes you use PS2 controllers such as racing wheels, gamepads, and joysticks with a PS3 and a PS4. And you should know that this model is the best for PS3 and PS4, and trust me, its button mapping is so perfect. And you should also take a note that each Bro controller adapter comes with one handle, and this means that it can only handle one PS2 controller at a time. I know you might want to buy this Bro controller adapter, but before you buy, you should be careful to not to buy this model, okay, this model which is going to be shown in the picture, because it is a PS2 to PS3 converter, so it won't do anything, because I also own that one, and it only works on PS3 and it doesn't work on PS4. So you should be careful when buying this controller adapter. Also, I have also linked this exact model in the description, so if you wanna buy it, please make sure to check out the description box right below for links. And in case you wanna buy this one, you should know that it retails at Amazon for only $39, and you can get the used one at only $29. And you should know that I've used this one for over 3 years now, and I have no issues with it. And you can see even its keychain which comes with it, it's even getting older, which means I've used this model for a long time now, and I have no issues with it. Just be careful, don't buy the PS2 to PS3 converter for in case you wanna use it on a PS4. Be more careful. Another advantage using this exact model, you won't miss any button, like its button mapping is very good. And using this exact model also, it will save you a lot of money buying a DualShock 4 controller, which retails at $64. And you can use that money to purchase over three controllers, I think, for the PS2, and use them. Yeah, it's so easy. And this model installation is very effortless, as you can see. And that's it in today's video. Make sure to check out the description for the product link, and also give me a thumbs up if you think this video was informative. And if you have any question, leave down a comment. I'll be able to reply to each and every comment personally. And with that said, till next time, bye bye. I'm going to play FIFA with the bros. So see you guys in the next one. And don't forget to drop a like, please, because that inspires me more to create more videos for you.